Good morning, friends. So I want to explain about yesterday's superb trade that we took in VEDL, which is also explained in the live video. You can see that video right here. If you haven't seen it, please watch it and come back. And now I'm going to explain the intraday setup here. Before that, why did I choose VEDL? Because quite simply, there was a beautiful double hammer pattern, and which is negating this bearish engulfing. So there's a bearish engulfing at a support level, and then we had a hammer, and next day very small candle. So it is obvious that it will move up. And if you go back to 15-minute chart, you can see that there is a huge resistance in this area, and this stock spent a lot of time, close to 1.5 hours, at that very same area navigating it. So if it was a big resistance, we wouldn't see small candles like this. We'll see a big red candle and fall like it did previous time. So this pattern, followed by a bullish engulfing here, prompted me to go long at 435.7, stop 433.85, and a target of 445.4, which is not achieved. So I had exited 443. Why 445 minute task? It's just the projection of the Fibonacci. Okay, 436, and target is 445. So I hope this explains the logic behind the trade of VEDL yesterday. Today we will pick another stock during the live stream, and the live stream, what we aim to do is to identify how candlesticks work and try and establish that. We're not into the buy sell business, just a word of caution. Now let's go back and look at Nifty for today. So Nifty for today is interestingly poised. Yesterday I was expecting a huge follow-up to the rally that we had on Friday. It did not happen, and it was a complete sideways market. So today, for Nifty to trade positive, it must cross yesterday's high, or 24,625, quite comfortably, and then it will have targets of 24,708 and 24,756. On the contrary, if the market doesn't sustain this level and starts to break 24,520, which is the key support for the day, then it will fall to 24,436 and 24,390, 24,380. So quite an interesting day ahead of us. Should be a large candle. I hope it's not a small candle. We want some volatility for us to make money. This is only good for straddlers, and that's people who sell options. So since we are buyers of option, we want some kind of a momentum. Side doesn't matter. So 24,620, yesterday's high was 24,640. So 24,640, 24,625. This is the most important resistance for the day, and 24,520 is the most important support for the day. Let's see how Nifty reacts. I hope it's a big green candle. And thanks for joining, and I wish you all a great day ahead. Good luck. Bye bye.